Welcome to my new blog post 43. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about project management office, and it will be in detail. The discussion will be in detail. So let's start. So what is project management office? So basically, a project management office is an organizational structure that actually standardizes the project related governance, processes and facilities, the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques. The responsibilities of PMO can range from providing project management support functions to the direct management of one or more projects. There are several types of PMO in the organization, and each type varies in the degree of control and influence it has on projects within the organization. So first one is supportive. By supportive, it means the supportive PMO provides a consultative role to projects by supplying templates, best practices, training, access to the information, and lessons learned from other projects. This type of PMO serves as a project repository. The degree of control provided by the PMO is low. Next one is controlling. Controlling PMOs provide support and require compliance through various means. The degree of control provided by the PMO is moderate, and compliance may involve adaptation of project management framework or methodologies, use of specific templates, forms, and tools, and conformance to the governance frameworks. Next one is directive. Directive PMO take control of the projects by directly managing the projects. Project managers are assigned by and report to the PMO. The degree of control provided by the PMO in this case is very high. So the project management office may have organization-wide responsibility. It may play a role in supporting strategic alignment and delivering organizational value. The PMO integrates data and information from organizational strategic projects and evaluates how high-level strategic objectives are being fulfilled. The PMO is the natural liaison between the organization's portfolios, programs, and projects and the organizational measurement system. The projects the projects supported or administered by the PMO may not be related other than by managed together. The specific form, function, and structure of a PMO are dependent upon the needs of organization that it supports. So basically, you can say that a PMO may have the authority to act as an integral stakeholder and a key decision maker throughout the life of each project in order to keep it aligned with the business objective. So the PMO may have to make recommendations. He need to lead knowledge transfer, terminate projects in case of need, and take other action when they are required. So a primary function of a PMO is to support project managers in a variety of ways, which may include managing shared resources across all the projects administered by the PMO, identifying and developing project management methodologies, best practices, and standards, coaching and mentoring, training and oversight, developing and managing project policies, procedures, templates, and other shared documentation, for example, organizational process assets, and coordinating the communication across projects. And they also have to do monitoring compliance with the project management standards, policies, procedures, and templates by means of project audits. So with this, I conclude my PMO vlog. Hopefully, you have understood the concept. Now let us move towards our star question. So a project manager of a project has to provide templates to its team only. Uh, the PMO of the organization does not control finances, hence PM cannot do much. This is a example of supportive project manager, moderate or high. So before answering this question in comment section of this video, please watch the video first because answer lies in this video.